Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find inspiration and tips on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and go to the lower option, the inspiration and tips. And here you can find different buttons, the CEWE photo book via smartphone, the tips and tricks for designing. For example, select the second, and you can find the different information about how to create different things in this app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.